All right, we got the 1851 Navy. This is a replica. And we're going to just see what the 25 grain charge is, what we're getting feet per second. So y'all stay tuned and see how it goes down. Here we go, got the 1851 Navy. And just running the chrono again off of it, 25 grain charge. Just seeing what it groups at about 15 yards. Not expecting too much on the group. Just curious again with the feet per second. And we got, that is 485. Woo! Hit the chrono, I do believe. But that says 671. Let's see where I hit the chrono. 671. All right, 671. Let's try one more shot. $600. That one, it sounded funny. Yeah, y'all can tell the difference on that. So we go 600 and the 671. I mean, yeah, that's a big jump, but I'm gonna hit more of the 600, saying it's averaging 635 feet per second, because that 400, that's definitely way too slow for what I've been getting off of these. Yeah, and then the grouping. For 15 yards of black powder, now it's shooting these. Well, we'll take a look at the group. Yeah, 4.5 inch. That kind of sucks. So, anyways, it is what it is. Like I said, it still ain't bad for shooting the black powder. So, yeah.